Charlie's boat. Charlie's boat? Mom!
Norman! Have you left the tap running again?
No, ma'am! The whole of Pontypandy is flooded!
Oh, and I didn't get the washing in. Oh, I blame this global cooking thing. I do.
Great fires of London! It's the worst high tide Pontypandy has ever had, Tom!
Struth! It'll take ages to clean up.
Yes, and that's once the tide has gone back out. That won't be for hours.
Station Officer Steele to Fireman Sam. Can you hear me?
Very loud and clear, sir.
The Jones family is stranded on the Whole Fish Cafe roof.
We're on our way. Over and out, sir.
It's going to be a busy day.